Professor Sharon Hack.
I'm Kim Malaliu.
I'm Jacqueline Bridge.
I'm Professor Nisha Michael.
I am Charlene Roach.
I'm Jason Matthew.
I am Bipaya Parry.
I'm Dr. Leticia Addison.
I am Dr. Yumika Powder George.
I'm Dr. Elaine Monica Davis.
Congratulations to
25 years
of this remarkable program.
When I learned that I got this award, I was overwhelmed.
Receiving this award was deeply meaningful to me
and has personally inspired me to continuously strengthen my commitment to teaching innovation, inclusivity, and student success.
As it gave me the courage to continue experimenting with new teaching and assessment techniques and to strive to keep learning and growing as an educator.
I uncovered delightful nuances of this intricate world that profoundly shaped decades of my practice of teaching stewardship.
Being part of this legacy has underscored to me the importance of recognition in supporting the work of educators and in shaping the experiences of students.
This award reminds me that teaching is guiding students to discover their strengths and bridging theory with real-world application.
Teaching is a gift, it's an art, it's a skill, and that I wish you, as you continue on your journey, that you will empower and inspire young minds.
In particular, the students, because the students always make us give our best all the time to produce excellence.
Every time I teach, I learn, and I'm impacted by the partnership that we have in learning.
Congratulations on this extraordinary milestone.
Thank you, Guardian Life, for providing this amazing opportunity.
Thank you for raising the bar and supporting us educators to be lifelong mentors.
I extend my best wishes for the continued growth of this program.
Thank you, Yui. Thank you, Guardian Life. Thank you, Settle.